Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Everyone Can Learn Mathematics. I hope you're all well. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do. Today we are going to learn how to find the factors of the given numbers using the prime numbers. This method is called prime factorization. Before starting our main topic, there are some terminologies you need to understand. The first one is even numbers. So even numbers are all the numbers that can be divisible by 2. That means the number can be divided into two equal groups. The easier way to know if a number is an even number is to see its last digit. If it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means it's an even number. The second term that we need to know is the odd numbers. Odd numbers are all the numbers that cannot be divisible by 2. That means the numbers cannot be divided into two equal groups. The easier way to know if a number is an odd number is to see its last digit. If it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that means it is an odd number. Now finally, the prime numbers. A prime number is a number that has two factors only, that is 1 and the number itself. In other words, a prime number cannot be divisible by any other number but itself. Some examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 13 and 17. Also, let's have a recap on factors of a number. So factors are numbers that divide exactly into another number. For example, 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. Here, 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. In simple words, 3 is a multiplicative part of 15. The other part can be found out by finding how many times 3 goes into 15, and that is 5. Now let's see how many prime numbers are there between 1 and 30. So 1 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is yes, 4 is not, because 4 appears in 4 timetables and 2 timetables. 5 is a prime number, 6 is not. 7 is a prime number, 8 is not. 9 is not. 10 is not, because these three numbers appears in other timetables as well. So 11 is a prime number, 12 is not. 13 is a prime number, 14 is not. 15 is not a prime number, 16 is not a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 18 is not a prime number, 19 is a prime number, 20 is not. 21 is a prime number, no, it is not. 22 is not a prime number, 23 is a prime number, 24 is not a prime number, 25 is not a prime number, 26 is not a prime number, 27 is not a prime number, 28 is not a prime number, 29 is a prime number, and 30 is not. Please remember, we can only use prime numbers as factors in the prime factorization. Here in this example, we need to write 12 as a product of prime factors. So we split the number into two factors that multiply to make the starting number. One of the two factors needs to be a prime number. Since 12 is an even number, we will start from the smallest possible prime number, that is 2. We will circle any factor that are prime numbers. Now, we need to see 2 times what is 12. So we know 2 times 6 is 12. We will continue to split any number that are not prime. We will continue to split until we reach 1. So 6 is not a prime number, so we will split this number as well into prime factor. Since 6 is an even number, we know it will definitely be divisible by 2. Now 2 times 3 is 6. Now 3 cannot be divisible by 2 because it's not an even number, it's an odd number. So we will go to the next prime number, that is 3 itself. Now, we need to write 12 as a product of prime factors. This is the answer. In this example, we need to write the prime factors of 120. So we will split the number into two factors that multiply to make the starting number. One of the two factors need to be a prime number. Since 120 is an even number, we will start from the smallest possible prime number, that is 2. So 2 times what is 120? So basically, we need to halve 120. So half of 120 is 60. 60 is an even number. We will continue dividing by 2. So the half of 60 would be 30. Likewise, 2 multiplied by what is 30? So we know 2 multiplied by 15 is 30, or half of 30 is 15. Now 15 is not an even number, so we will go to the next possible prime number, that is 3. We know 3 times 5 is 15. Now 5 is not divisible by 3, so we will go to the next prime number, that is 5 itself. Here are the prime factors of 120. So in this example, we need to write 15 as the product of prime factors. So we will split the number into two factors that multiply to make the starting number. One of the two factors needs to be the prime number. Since 15 is an odd number, we know it will not be divisible by 2. So we will start from the next smallest possible prime number, that is 3. So 3 times what is 15? We know 3 times 5 is 15. Now 5 is no more divisible by 3, so we will go to the next prime number, that is 5 itself. So 5 times 1 is 5. Now, here are the prime factors of 15, that is 3 multiplied by 5. Here are some questions for you to try. Pause the video to complete your task and resume once you are finished. Here are the answers. Well done.